Ever thought about turning your balcony into a butterfly haven? Welcome to the fascinating world of butterfly-friendly balcony gardening. This is about transforming your little outdoor space into a vibrant ecosystem that attracts butterflies. It's a small step towards conserving these beautiful creatures. If you're an enthusiast for gardening and nature, you're in the right place. Why should you consider creating a butterfly-friendly balcony garden, you may ask? Well, these magical gardens promote biodiversity, offering a welcoming habitat for butterflies. On top of that, they enhance your balcony's aesthetics, making it a tranquil, visually pleasing space. Not only is it beneficial for the environment, but it's also a fun and rewarding project. Creating a butterfly-friendly balcony garden is easier than you might think. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to choose plants that attract butterflies. Consider species like milkweed, coneflowers, and butterfly bushes. These not only attract butterflies, but also supply them with nourishment. Next, arrange your plants strategically. Butterflies prefer sunny spots, so place your plants where they'll get plenty of sunlight. Remember, variety is key. Different species of butterflies are attracted to different plants. Maintenance is essential. Ensure your plants are watered regularly, but avoid overwatering. Also, a little bit of mess can be beneficial. Fallen leaves can provide a habitat for caterpillars, which will eventually become butterflies. Lastly, it's important to avoid using pesticides. These can harm butterflies and other beneficial insects. Instead, opt for organic and natural pest control methods. With these simple steps, you can transform your balcony into a butterfly paradise. Now that you have all the information, are you ready to start your own butterfly-friendly balcony garden? Imagine the thrill of creating a haven for these delightful creatures right at your own space. The benefits are numerous and the joy immeasurable. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!